Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Waffles Eggo updated. Preheat a toaster or oven and arrange Eggo waffles on a tray or in the toaster slots. Set a timer and monitor for golden brown edges. While they cook, warm syrup and melt butter, prepare fruit or whipped cream, and plate nearby so service is fast and waffles stay crisp for the best texture and flavor. Choosing toaster versus oven depends on speed and batch size, and both give great results when used right. For 1 or 2 waffles, the toaster is ideal because it crisps both sides quickly. For 4 or more, use a preheated oven on a baking sheet for consistent heat. Rotate the tray once if needed, and remove waffles when edges are golden to keep centers fluffy and outsides crisp. If you are finding this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker and enjoy hands-free timers, playlists, and recipe prompts while you cook. It fits on a counter and sounds great. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you love kitchen gadgets, this one is worth a try. Now let's get back to the video. Toppings transform simple Eggo waffles into a memorable breakfast without fuss. Layer butter first so it melts into pockets, then add syrup, fruit, nuts, or whipped cream. Consider savory options like fried egg and avocado for variety. Keep toppings ready to preserve crispness, and plate quickly so guests enjoy the contrast of warm interior and crunchy exterior. Small touches like powdered sugar or a sprinkle of cinnamon elevate the experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.